What's up guys, here we are back with another video on how to set up login page in WordPress. Even if you are a beginner or have a little experience in WordPress, this is a very easy trick, but for sure will have a big impact on your website user experience. Before starting the tutorial, make sure that you like and share this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss any video. Okay, as you can see, I have installed the WordPress and I'm running the Hello theme. Here you can see it, and also at the plugins I have installed Elementor and WooCommerce. Okay, to set up the login page for free we need to install another plugin. So without losing time, just go to plugins and click add new. At the search plugins, type Sina Elementor. Now install this plugin Sina extension for Elementor by Sina Extra. Click install now. And activate it. Now as you are redirected here, just go to widgets and make sure that this Sina login form is turned on. Now what we have to do is go to pages and create a new page that is called login. So go to pages and click add new. At the title, just type login and click publish. Click again publish. And as you can see, we have the page address localhost login. Now click edit with Elementor. And this is our login page. Now we can set up it however we want. I want to hide this page title, so I go to settings and turn on this option hide title. Now the title is gone, and what I want to do is to create a form in a different way that WordPress offers us. So I click this plus button to add a new section. And for start, I want just a simple section. Now I click to edit this section, and I want this section height to be 100% of the viewport height. So I go to height and I click minimum height, and at the pixel I choose viewport height and I set up this at 100. Now you can see that the section height is 100% view height. Now here what I want to do is to click and add a heading. In this heading I want to welcome the users. I want this title to be in the middle, and I want the color of this title black. Typography I want to use is secondary, and I want to increase the size of this title. And under this title I want to add another section that will insert an image and the login form. So I go here at inner section and drag and drop under the title. Now here at the first column I click plus and I want to insert an image. So I drag and drop the image and click choose image. Select this image, and now you can see that the image is at our section. Now here at the right side I want to insert the login form. So I click the plus button, and at the search widget I type Sina login form. This is the widget we will use for this tutorial, so I click on it and drag and drop to our column. And now you can see that the login form is inserted successfully. But I want to edit some things. The first thing, I want to place this login form vertically at the center of this column. So I click on this column and at the vertical align, I select middle. Now I click on this login form and I want to change some things. For example, at the enter email, I want to type enter your email. Also for the password. Now here you can edit also the redirect URL after login. For me, this is alright. When someone log in with their credentials, I want that this user to be redirected to the dashboard of this website. Also, you can change the text of remember me, and you can select if you want or not a remember me option. Under the form settings, you have also the submit button. You can change the label of this button. Also, you can change the login state. Another thing that you can do is to insert an icon to the button label. If you want so, just click here at select icon and find an icon that you want to insert. Search, for example, login and click on it. You can also set an icon spacing, but I will undo this as the first state was perfect for me. So when you hover on button, the icon will move. Also icon zooming. Okay. When you do updates, never forget to click the button update to save the changes. Now I want to stylize this login form. So click style. And here you have some style of this form. Add the fields and remember text. You can change the placeholder color. You can change the color of it, for example, primary, but I want to let them just gray. You can also change the typography and box shadows. Here you can change the text color that will be the text when some user type. For example, this one. Also, you can change and stylize the borders. Here you have some types of borders and also the width of border for font size. For example, I want to make the border just for the bottom, so I turn off this link value together and I make the left 0, the right 0 and the top 0. And now you can see that we have the fields with just bottom border. Also, you can change the remember styles, for example, the position of this remember me section. If you choose bottom, it will be placed at the bottom of login form. And also you have the styles for the submit button. You can change the typography, the text color, the background color. For example, if you want to make it gradient, you can change the width too. For example, if you want to make it 100% width, you just change the pixels to percentage and select the width 100%. Also, you can maneuver with padding and margins and also change the radius. Here at the bottom you have also some hover effects. For example, zoom in. So when you hover the button, it will zoom in a new background. You can change the background here. For example, this one primary. So when you hover, it will be blue. Now click update and save changes. And now by pressing Ctrl+E, search dashboard and go to dashboard. Now here, let's visit our page. Click visit site. I've set up a link with login page here, so I click on it. And now, as you can see, this is our login page of WordPress. Now enter your email and your password and click login to log in to your WordPress account. So okay guys, this is all of it. If you guys did enjoy this video and this video did help you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and that will definitely help us to continue with uploading new videos and you won't miss out any of my tutorials. And as always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.